Hello YouTube. Today we will be testing the strength of a two-part epoxy applied to air compressor fittings. That's it, I can't do it. I was trying to be professional. You get what you get here. Anyway, if it ain't fun, I don't want to do it. We had a fitting in here. Might as well show you the difference. If you could see it, this is more, there's more to it there. I didn't want to clip in my Milton brand coupler. These from Harbor Freight, Merlin, I can't even remember the name of them. I got the card over here, doesn't matter. They fit better. So I had one like this. I was like, I got 4 new ones, I don't need it. I figured I'm going to do an experiment because I fixed my blowgun. This was broke halfway. We're going to take this apart, okay? Now, we don't know how hard this is going to be to get apart. We have tested this. It's set for overnight. We tested it with, chucked in our air tank at 100 pounds of pressure. Let's just see how hard it is to get out. Okay, we'll be back. We'll be back. We're probably going to have to stick it in the vise. I can't get it with the little tools, so stay tuned. We'll see what it takes to get it apart. Okay, we had to stick in the vise. We stuck it in here like this, and we used our click stop. What's the little Cars cartoon movie where the little forklift says pit stop? That's what I call it, my click stop. Shameless promotion on my wrench. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like. It took some force too, it took some muscle. I'll show you how bad this fitting is. See where it was broken? I just wanted to see how good it worked. Said it held 100 pounds of air. I had it in there for a couple hours. I had to point away from me. Do the stuff at your own risk. I had to point away in case something blew. It would blow off and probably smash into my toolbox instead of hitting me in the head. There you go. This was even a broken one. Look at that. See, there was hardly any threads left on it. I just wanted to see in a situation how much I had in there. I had a lot. And I let it set like this. And I took the guts out. You know, took this out, I put some fresh Teflon tape. That's just like a string. I made it thin as a string. Don't put on the thread. There ain't much threads there. Just make like a little gasket with that stuff. But this is a fun video. Sounds like the neighbors getting ready to mow their yard. Here they're the old riding lawnmower. And that stuff's really down in there. I'll take a photo of that, what it'll look like with that in there. But it held. I would not recommend doing this on all your stuff. Now, if it was a good fitting, I'd recommend it. Say I want to put in a nice new fitting, I may start using epoxy instead of Teflon tape. Especially on stuff I'm not going to take apart. That was the whole experiment. I figured I'm going to try it with a broken one. You can tell there's hardly any threads left on there. Amazing, huh? Compare them. This is either broken over tightening in something one day or it fell. It could have been hooked on something one day and it fell off the bench and it broke. Or outside on the ground. So I had it laying around in my junk. There you go. I'll snap a picture of what this looks like. Try to get a real close up how much I had in there. Like I said, let it set this way. And if it ever did drip inside her, you can run a drill bit up there and clean it out. Inside you got just a little teeny hole that goes through there if you ever have one of these apart. So thanks for watching. Entirely too long a video on this, but I figured might as well show it. I think I'm going to start using epoxy on some of my fittings instead of wasting time with Teflon tape. Just don't use as much as I used here. So we're out of here. We're gone.